You know that feeling when the clocks change and the sun's not out as long, so you don't get as much light during the day. And it's getting cold outside because the seasons are changing and summer's over and winter's just around the corner. So you find yourself in bed more often watching YouTube, not wanting to get outside because you're not used to the temperature yet, and you find yourself getting lazy. But then you force yourself to get out because you know it's good for yourself, and so you find a place on a map. You head there, meander through the woods a little bit, and then stumble to that spot. That's where I find myself right now. I had no idea this place would be like this. You never know. What a beautiful spot. What an absolutely gorgeous spot. So this is a very conscious decision for me to make the fire on top of all this moss. I could put it on the bedrock here, but I don't want to leave any burn marks on the rock because I just find it super beautiful and I want to leave no trace when I leave. So I'm going to do it on top of this moss. It'll kill the moss, but that'll grow back within a year or two, whereas the rock might stay stained for a few years. The water in that lake, very, very clean. All right, let's eat. So tonight I'm making carne asada. Shout out to Tanks Shield for the recommendation. It's basically like a taco, marinated in lime juice, cilantro, garlic, orange juice, soy sauce, and some other things. And basically I'm just gonna put it on corn tortillas with onions, tomato, and more cilantro. Should be good. I was marinating them since last night, so they should be nice and juicy. Oh yeah. All right. Looks awesome. It's not burnt. Yes. Very good. That was easy to make too. My God, is that ever delicious. Yeah. Wow. That's a hit. Let me know what you guys want me to cook next. Send me some simple, delicious meals down in the comments. And if I use yours, I'll give you a shout out. Yeah, this was a hit. I've said it before. I'll say it again. This is my food bag. Cutlery.
I slept really well last night. It's pretty cold out. It's 0 degrees right now. Time to make some breakfast. Just gonna do brie, some peach jam on toast. Peach jam. Just coffee creamer, bit of coffee. A little crispy, but I was trying so hard. We'll get it next time. Better. Look guys, I can do it. It's not completely burnt. We did it!
So this backpack's pretty cool. Inside it, there's a little mini day pack. And a nice little addition to this 75-liter bag. I probably look like a highlighter, but hey, it's hunting season, so that's a good thing actually.
There's some really pretty hills around here which might get some decent views. So I'm gonna go explore them.
Up here, but it's pretty freaking cold. Woo, that wind is crisp. Looks steeper than it is.
I came back and I had a little nap and the sun's out and it's quite lovely. But it's supposed to rain later, so I'm gonna chill out, enjoy camp. I'm gonna cook a delicious meal tonight. I'm bunkering for the rain.
Nice day.
This is a great spot. I can't get over it. This is so picturesque. It's funny how you come to a place that's completely new and foreign to you, and then a little bit of time it becomes home. Such a beautiful spot. There's nothing prettier than nature. So tonight for dinner I'm just doing a pretty standard dehydrated pasta Alfredo with ground beef. So I got cooked then dehydrated egg noodles, cooked then strained then dehydrated ground beef, dehydrated mushrooms, dehydrated onions, cooked then dehydrated broccoli, and then just a jar of dehydrated Alfredo sauce. And the reason why you cook the noodles and then dehydrate them as opposed to just bringing them here and cooking them is it's a lot easier to rehydrate these than it is to just cook them. And when you're out in the woods, it's kind of nice to not do as much work. What a nice place to hang out. I might have already said that, but can't get over it. Supposed to rain this hard. Alright, well, kind of stuck in the tent now, so I'm gonna wrap it up. Yeah, I'm gonna hit the hay and see you guys in the morning. Good morning. I slept really well. What an awesome little two-nighter out here on this beautiful bit of land. My goodness. What a pretty spot to be, and it's hard to believe that just a few days ago I was humming and hawing and trying to drag my ass out of bed because it's cold and damp outside, and it's hard to force yourself into environments like this because a warm house and a warm bed and running water can be a lot more comfortable than the cool, frigid outdoors. But hey, I'm always happier when I make it outside. There's beauty in all seasons. I find the best way to combat that seasonal sadness is by just getting up and out the door and experiencing the good old outdoors. Nice little two-nighter, but I'm gonna head on out now. Hope you guys enjoyed that one as much as I did. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.